Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Flip 5 and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Firstly, open Devices Settings and scroll down to access notifications. Following that, click on App Notifications located at the top and select All over here. Then tap on the best option for you. I will go with Most Frequent. Now just click on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications. You can switch them back on the same way. If you want to, you can also just click on one of your apps located on the left and manage all notifications thanks to this switcher next to Allow Notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!